You've just spent hours organizing your media library on your Synology NAS. You load up Plex, ready to watch, you hit scan, and nothing. It's a ghost town. No movies, no shows, just a blank screen. If you're freaking out thinking your data is gone, stop. Your files are safe. The problem isn't your files. It's that Plex is basically wearing a blindfold. It doesn't have permission to see inside those folders yet. Hey everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome back to For Real, where we keep tech simple and honest. Today, we are fixing the #1 headache for new Synology users, the invisible folder glitch in Plex Media Server. By the end of this video, we'll grant the right permissions so Plex can finally see your media, and I'll also show you a trick to make sure it stays fixed. Let's dive into DSM. Did you know? Synology DSM is based on Linux. In Linux, every user, even software like Plex, needs explicit permission to read a file. Alright, step 1. We need to log into your Synology Disk Station Manager. Once you're on your main desktop, look for the Control Panel. It usually looks like a little switchboard icon. Go ahead and click that. Inside the Control Panel, you'll see a lot of scary options. Don't worry, we are looking for the file sharing section. Specifically, click on Shared Folder. Here is a list of every main folder on your NAS. Now, you need to find the specific folder where you are hiding your movies and TV shows. For most of you, it might just be called Plex, or maybe Media, or Video. Click it once to highlight it, and then hit that Edit button up top. Okay, a new window pops up. By default, you're on the General tab. We need to move over to the Permissions tab. This is the VIP list of who is allowed to enter this folder. Now pay attention because 99% of people get stuck right here. You'll see a list of users like admin or guest. You will not see Plex here usually. Why? Because Plex isn't a human user. Look at the drop-down menu that says Local Users. Click that and switch it to System Internal User. This reveals the hidden system accounts that run your apps. Boom. There they are. Scroll down this list until you find a user named Plex Media Server. Quick side note, if you are running a really old version of DSM, it might just be called Plex, but for modern DSM 7 users, look for Plex Media Server. Once you find it, look at the checkboxes. You want to check Read or Write. Technically, read only works if you just watch stuff, but if you want Plex to be able to delete bad files or record live TV later, give it Read/Write. Click Save and let the NAS do its thing. The Plex Media Server user was introduced in DSM 7 to improve security by isolating the app from your main administrator account. And there you have it. You've successfully bridged the gap between your Synology NAS and Plex. No more invisible files. If this video saved you from pulling your hair out, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. I'm curious, what is the jewel of your media collection? Let me know in the comments what the first movie you're going to watch is now that it's working. Don't forget to subscribe to For Real for more easy tech fixes. I'm Anna. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.